it doesn't. It looks well, it looks cold because it is cold. And Adam, you're here now. Look at the forecast. We got some snowfall in areas right now.
Yeah, that camera wasn't the best. Look, I'm trying to squint, clean the glasses, and I couldn't really see anything there yet. But I mean, as we look towards Zionsville, Westfield, easily seeing those snow showers coming down, visibility being reduced as well, and especially those spots further north and west. And that's been thanks to this band of snow that's quickly moving on through. Terre Haute, Greencastle, Kokomo, Lafayette have seen the snow showers. Even Lafayette, much of this band has already started to wrap on up. But we see with these heavier snow showers on the leading edge, easily going to reduce visibility. Spots like Lafayette saw visibility less than half a mile. Even Kokomo's at half a mile. Terre Haute at 1.5 miles. But as that band moves through, expect visibility to quickly reduce, but not stick right on impact. Most spots at this point, temperatures are either at or above freezing. Lafayette's at 30, Kokomo 32, as well as Richmond and Columbus. Spots like Bloomington still at 36, even 34 here in Indy. So really, anywhere from 30 to 60 minutes from when the snow starts falling is when there's likely going to be some impacts. But snow quickly will move on through. So even notice by midnight, Richmond, Rushville, Bloomington. So that line quickly moves on through. And even by 3 a.m., we see that band of heavy snow break up, weaken. And it's really just these on and off isolated light snow showers through the rest of the night. We'll notice it really moving for 10, 15 minutes, quickly clears it out. Could see a couple more of those pockets. But by 11 a.m., snow out of the area. Even seeing some pockets of sunshine that will return. So by the time it's all said and done, most of us likely see a dusting up to ½ an inch. Spots further north, like up towards Lafayette, Kokomo, could see up to close to 1 inch. Now, it's not the only activity over the next 7 days. We see another system that tries to move through, especially Tuesday into Wednesday, and then another one as we end the week. We can see another system that moves through Friday into Saturday. Both of those could bring some rain showers that transition to snow showers, but it's really not going to total a whole lot. It's these winter clipper-like systems like the one we're seeing right now. All the cold air from Canada moves on in, but it's the warmer, moister air that stays further south. And we see another one that starts to move through as we head towards Tuesday. Wednesday, again, forms in Alberta. Saskatchewan, Manitoba starts to move on through. So even by Wednesday, Thursday, we see another one. Even as we end the week, Friday into Saturday, we see this next clipper that starts to move on in and parks pretty much right over the Great Lakes. That's going to pour in some cooler but drier air. So precip's really not going to be a whole lot, even though we see consistent chances. But out ahead of the clippers, we see temperatures actually above normal to the 50s on Tuesday. But then once it exits by Thursday, we see those temperatures back below normal in the low 30s, even a few spots that could get stuck in the 20s as well, especially the next couple days. Once we head towards the 16th, 20th, really much of the eastern U.S. is going to see below normal temperatures, even spots especially like South Carolina, Georgia, Florida could see well below normal temperatures for this time of the year. So expect things to stay active, expect things to stay cold. Through the rest of the night, temperatures are slowly dropping through the 30s. So before sunrise, most of us should be at least in the mid-20s. A few spots to try to drop into the low 20s as well. But really, the day tomorrow is not all that bad. It's really before we get towards sunrise, we see the snow showers wrapping up. Lunchtime still holding on to a few clouds, but by dinner time, temperatures in the mid-30s. Still a little bit below normal, but at least see the sunshine return. This stays with us through the day on Monday. Out ahead to that next clipper that moves through Tuesday, Wednesday. Starts out as rain, could see a little bit of snow. Temperatures start to fall behind it, so we're stuck in the 20s and 30s as we end next week. But again, have to watch that chance for a few more snow showers as well. Howard.